In this video, I will show you how to add username key on WhatsApp Business. First of all, open WhatsApp Business. Then in the top right corner, you will see 3 dotted lines. Click on it. Then go to Settings. Then click on Account. Here you can see username right below Business Platform. Click on it. Here you can see your username and below you can see Contact Me by username. Click on it. Here everyone is chosen. Click on People who know my key. And this key will be provided to you. If you want to change your key, simply click on Get a different key. Once you're satisfied with the key, simply click on Save key. And that's it. That's how you can add a username key on WhatsApp Business. For anyone wanting to text you by username for the first time in WhatsApp Business, they will have to enter that key. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.